The Hindustan Ambassador, an iconic symbol of Indian automotive history, is making a grand return in 2025. This revival blends the classic charm of the original model with modern advancements, aiming to appeal to both nostalgic enthusiasts and contemporary car buyers. The 2025 Ambassador retains its signature silhouette, reminiscent of the original design, but now features sleek lines and updated aesthetics. The front grille has been modernized, and LED headlights have been integrated to enhance visibility and add a contemporary touch. The body dimensions are expected to be similar to the classic model, maintaining its recognizable stance on the road. Under the hood, the new Ambassador is anticipated to offer multiple engine options to cater to diverse preferences. These may include a petrol engine, a diesel variant, and a CNG option, providing flexibility for various fuel choices. The engines are expected to be paired with a manual transmission, staying true to the driving experience of the original model. While specific performance figures are yet to be confirmed, the focus is likely on delivering a balance between power and fuel efficiency. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Ambassador aims to blend retro aesthetics with modern comfort. The seating capacity remains at 5, offering ample space for passengers. Upholstery materials are expected to be upgraded for enhanced comfort, and the dashboard design will likely incorporate both classic elements and contemporary features. Modern infotainment systems with touchscreen interfaces, Bluetooth connectivity, and advanced audio systems are anticipated to meet the needs of today's tech-savvy drivers. Safety features in the new Ambassador are projected to include standard offerings such as airbags, anti-lock braking systems (ABS), and rear parking sensors. These additions aim to provide a secure driving experience without compromising the vehicle's classic appeal. The expected price range for the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador is between 10 lakh rupees and 15 lakh rupees, positioning it competitively within the sedan segment. This pricing strategy aims to attract a wide range of customers, from longtime admirers of the brand to new buyers seeking a blend of tradition and modernity. As for the launch timeline, the new Ambassador is anticipated to hit the market by March 2026. This release date allows Hindustan Motors to fine-tune the vehicle's features and ensure it meets contemporary standards while preserving its classic essence. In terms of competition, the 2025 Ambassador will enter a market alongside models such as the Tata Tigor EV, Tata Express TEV, Citroën EC3, Tata Punch EV, Honda City, Maruti Ciaz, Hyundai Verna, Tata Tiago EV, Hyundai i20 N-Line, and Škoda Slavia. Each of these vehicles offers unique features, and the Ambassador's blend of heritage and modernity will be its distinctive selling point. For those interested in a visual and detailed review of the 2025 Hindustan Ambassador, you can watch the following video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with more automotive reviews and content, please subscribe to our channel, Rush Drive. Welcome to our community, where we bring you the latest insights and reviews from the automotive world.